How to fix TikTok app rewards not working. So if you want to fix the TikTok app rewards not working, then first you need to open up your TikTok application profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with the profile, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings and privacy. And I should be taken to this page. Now I'm going to scroll down and click on where it says report a problem. Tap on report a problem, and after that you will be taken to this kind of page where you just need to simply scroll down and go with TikTok balance, enlarge that, and then scroll down again and go with the live reward issues and go with how can you collect diamonds, or you can simply choose any option right here and then go with no and need more help, and it will take you to the feedback option or the TikTok help desk. From here you just need to simply type hello TikTok, I'm having issues with my TikTok rewards not working. I need this to be fixed. And once you've written that, you can simply go with submit, or you can send the message. And after that, you will get some help from TikTok support. So that's how you can fix your TikTok app rewards not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.